Now let's understand what are the types of liabilities. So basically, liabilities are classified basis the due date of payment, when these are due. So these are classified as three categories: current liabilities, non-current liabilities, which are long-term liabilities, and contingent liabilities. So now let's understand what are the current liabilities. So current liabilities are the future obligations, the financial or legal obligations by the business entity which needs to be paid, which are due within 1 year of the operating cycle. So which needs to be paid within 1 year of the operating cycles. And this also impact the working capital and liquidity of the organization. So what could be the examples of this? So let's say salaries needs to be paid to the employees because it has to be paid every month. So within 1 year, whatever salary needs to be paid, it is called a current liability. Or any loan which is due within 1 year, short-term loans which are due within 1 year, or any creditors for goods and services which are purchased, which are due within 1 year, are called current liabilities of the organization. Now, what are the non-current liabilities, which are long-term liabilities? So these are the future obligations which needs to be paid after, which are due after 12 months of the operating cycle. So these are not to be paid in the near future. This will be due after 12 months, 12 months of the operating cycle. So this maintains the solvency of the company, and this also helps in maintaining the liquidity of the organization. So what could be examples of this? The example would be any long-term loan which are taken from the financial institutions which are not payable in the near future, or any deferred tax liabilities. So these are the examples of long-term liabilities or non-current liabilities.